All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a 1964 Malibu Super Sport. Chevelle, pretty cool, man. This one, we sold to the previous owner. Last time we had it, we didn't even get a chance to advertise it. This time, at least everybody gets to get a look at it. We took it back in on trade and upgraded him to a 69 Super Sport. So, actually it was sad getting rid of this one, but it's a great car. This thing's probably got almost 500 horsepower. It says 475, but the guys that built it said, no, this thing's pushing about 500. So it's got Dakota Digital gauges, 383 stroker motor, Holley dual feed, electronic ignition, March pulleys. This one has a 700R overdrive transmission, which is great. Now you got that low Posi-Traction rear differential. It's a 12 bolt, and you can get on the freeway still. And it's got the custom Shiftworks adapter kit, so you can have all 4 gears down here on the console. This car runs. Love driving this car. But Daytona Yellow, it stands right out. Some people like it, some people don't, but you know what? It's nice and bright. They see you coming, they hear you coming. The bees like it. So if you're allergic to bees, don't buy it. But it's got chrome rallies, BF Goodrich TA radials. Hotchkis front and rear sway bars. It's a great driving car, really is. And it's solid, rust-free. Adult owned. Both previous owners, the guy that built it and the guy that I sold it to. Guys are retired and take really good care of the cars. We're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, check out our 1964 Chevelle Malibu Super Sport. It's a real Super Sport per the VIN. But it's got a nasty little 383, 475 horsepower small block in it. Runs great. It's got a 700R4 transmission, overdrive transmission. It's got a 12 bolt Posi-Traction rear differential. Posi-Traction. Leave 2 big black stripes going down the street. Original black plated California car. It's finished in Daytona Yellow, not the original color, but I love it. Looks great. Got some little chrome tips down there, dual exhaust with headers. Chrome rallies, brand new BF Goodrich TA radials. Lots of new trim. Chrome is beautiful. Rust-free car, really solid underneath. Never been cracked up or anything like that. Like I said, both previous owners were adult individuals, retired, babied it, washed it, never took it out of the garage. Dash is beautiful. It's got a recent Dakota Digital dash upgrade. Looks real nice in there. Gets rid of all those under dash gauges that people have, which I like too. But kind of cleans it up a little bit. It's got a custom auto sound stereo. Nice headliner. Comfortable seats. It's cloth with vinyl. So, you know, don't burn your legs in the summer or anything like that. But power steering, power disc brakes. Nice door panels there. Factory console, like I said, it's got the Shiftworks set up on there. So it works with the 700R, looks stock. Great running, driving, looking car. Here's the power plant in the 64 Super Sport. Again, 383 stroker motor, aluminum heads, almost 500 horsepower. It's got headers on it. It's got the March Serpentine setup, chrome alternator. There's your power brake unit there. It's got a nice aluminum radiator, electric fans, keeps it nice and cool. It's got a transmission cooler, which you always really want with 700R, keeps it safe. Yellow top battery. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Such a runner, man. This thing runs amazing. Love these gauges though. Got a tack and all the gauges. A little bit of digital readout. That was done 563 miles ago. There's your stereo. Great running motor though. A lot of fun to drive. Exhaust runs all the way out the back behind the rear wheels where it's supposed to. beautiful car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see me in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Be happy to show you the car. We have others as well. Get yourself a really cool muscle car for summer. All right, thanks for watching.